Everyone, it's been so long since I sat in front of the camera and filmed. I attempted before, but I just wasn't happy with the look. Like, I tried to use this palette that I had, but the colors just came out completely different and the whole makeup look just didn't go as well as I planned. So I kind of lost motivation for like a week and I just couldn't find like the inspiration. But I figured I would just film a bronzy makeup tutorial because summer is here, well, almost here, and I feel like this is the kind of look that I want to wear all summer. I don't know, I feel like I still haven't found the perfect like bronze eyeshadow palette. I don't know, I'm thinking about ordering the Kylie Bronze Extended, but I'm waiting for her to have a sale. I feel like this is just a look that I've been wearing so much. I decided why not film a video because I think this look is perfect for the summertime. And I feel like it also matches my new hair. So this is my first video since I got my hair done. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should. I did tag who did my hair. So if you want to know who did my hair, check out my Instagram. But yeah, I don't know what this hair color is called. My hair was red before, so we honestly didn't know what was gonna happen with my hair. And I was like, you know what? I kind of don't care. Like, do whatever, because I wanted to have realistic expectations. I feel like I'm at a point in my life, in my hair phase, that I kind of don't care what happens to my hair. And I also cut off like 5 inches. It's still pretty long, but I mean, I literally just don't care about my hair. I mean, I care, but like I don't care. Like, it's just not the end of the world for me anymore. Like, I used to be really attached to my hair, but I don't know, over the years I honestly don't care. I think that you just shouldn't have high and unrealistic expectations. You know, when you have like really high hopes, like sometimes you can never be satisfied. You know what I mean? So anyways, the point of that is to tell you guys my hair. Like, I honestly didn't know what was gonna happen with my hair. I just said I think I want to go back blonde, even though my hair was red, which I knew was really hard to get out. But yeah, I feel like I take really good care of my hair, so I feel like it was easy for us to get to this point, even though you can still see some of the red coming through. You know, this was only one session. I am planning to do more sessions to, you know, get to where I want to be. I don't even know where I want to be with my hair, actually. Anyways, yeah, I wanted to switch it up for the summertime. I wanted a look that was just perfect for the summer, and I wanted to create a makeup look that would just be perfect with the hair, beachy waves, you know, just look like sun-kissed and just summertime ready. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial.